Once you have successfully validated your problem, designed your solution, and created a minimum viable product (MVP), the next critical step is to build a sustainable, functional, and scalable business model. A business model is not just a document or a canvas, it is a strategic blueprint of how your startup creates, delivers, and captures value. In this module, we explore in depth how entrepreneurs transform ideas into income by understanding customer behavior, defining value propositions, identifying revenue streams, outlining cost structures, forming strategic partnerships, and creating distribution channels. A good business model answers fundamental questions such as: who is your customer? What value are you delivering? How do you reach your customers? How do you earn money? What are your costs? Who are your partners? This module will help you articulate your business logic, define your monetization strategy, and prepare for scalability. Core concepts. 1. Understanding the business model. A business model is the DNA of a startup. It shows how your startup will survive and grow by solving a problem profitably. It includes all moving parts: your product, customers, costs, revenues, delivery systems, and partnerships. Think of it as a machine. Each gear must move in alignment with the others to produce revenue and value consistently. 2. The Business Model Canvas (BMC). One of the most widely used frameworks for building a business model is the Business Model Canvas, developed by Alexander Osterwalder. It consists of 9 interconnected blocks that give a visual representation of how a business works. 1. Customer segments. Who are your target customers? 2. Value propositions. What value do you deliver to each segment? 3. Channels. How do you reach your customers? 4. Customer relationships. How do you engage and retain customers? 5. Revenue streams. How do you earn money from each customer segment? 6. Key resources. What resources do you need to operate? 7. Key activities. What are the most important actions your startup must take? 8. Key partnerships. Who are your suppliers, allies, and collaborators? 9. Cost structure. What are the most significant expenses in your business? 3. Customer segmentation. You need to clearly define who you're serving. You may have mass market, e.g., toothpaste brand, niche market, e.g., software for surgeons, segmented, e.g., different packages for students, professionals. Multi-sided markets, e.g., Uber serves drivers and riders. If you serve everyone, you serve no one. 4. Value proposition. This is the core benefit your product or service provides. It explains why customers will choose you over alternatives. A compelling value proposition solves a specific pain, provides measurable benefits, is clear and specific, is aligned with emotional and rational needs. Example: order food from multiple restaurants in one app with delivery in under 30 minutes, or it is free. 5. Channels and distribution. This defines how your product or service will reach your customers: online, website, mobile app, social media, offline, retail outlets, resellers, direct, your own sales force, indirect, marketplaces, wholesalers. The channel must be efficient, scalable, and aligned with the customer's preferences. 6. Customer relationships. This includes how you will acquire, retain, and grow customers. Relationship types: personal assistance, self-service, automated service, communities, loyalty programs. Startups must think about customer journey and lifetime value, LTV. 7. Revenue streams. Here, you outline how you'll make money. Different monetization models include direct sales, subscription, freemium, pay-per-use, licensing, advertising. You must understand your pricing strategy, customer acquisition cost, CAC, and LTV. Example: Spotify earns via freemium plus premium subscriptions plus advertising. 8. Key resources. What essential resources must your startup have to deliver the value proposition? Physical, equipment, technology, human, skill team, intellectual, patents, branding, data, financial, startup capital, investors. 9. Key activities. These are the mission critical operations you must perform: developing technology, marketing and customer acquisition, product delivery, supply chain management. 10. Key partnerships. Startups often need partnerships to reduce risk, acquire resources, or scale faster. Types include strategic alliances, joint ventures, buyer-supplier relationships, platform partnerships, e.g., selling via Amazon or Jumia. 11. Cost structure. This outlines your fixed and variable costs. You must understand your break-even point, margins, operating costs, burn rate. Understanding your cost structure is vital for sustainability and investor confidence. Case study: startup business model example. Startup name: FarmLink Africa. Idea: connect rural farmers to urban buyers directly via mobile phones. Business model outline: customer segments, smallholder farmers, urban markets, value proposition, fair market prices, guaranteed buyers. Channels: SMS, mobile app, field agents. Customer relationships: personal onboarding plus SMS support. Revenue stream: 10% commission on every sale. Key resources: mobile platform, farmer database. Key activities: farmer registration, order matching, delivery logistics. Key partnerships: NGOs, transportation networks, agro co-ops. Cost structure: agent salaries, app maintenance, logistics. Common pitfalls to avoid: skipping the model and focusing only on product, assuming users will automatically pay, underestimating cost and overestimating revenue, poorly defined customer segments, lack of alignment between features and value proposition. Summary: a business model is not just a plan, it is the engine that powers your startup. Designing it well will help you monetize your value, minimize risk, prepare for investment, build scalability. Without a business model, even the best idea is just a hobby. Thank you for completing this module.